everyone, so I am on my way to buy some ornaments. I think I have decided on the theme that I'm gonna go for our Christmas tree, but we'll see. I might change my mind once I'm on the store, but I'm so excited because this is like my favorite part. I'm gonna go around, I'm gonna check out several stores and see what I could find. My first stop will be TJ Maxx, and then Ross is just right next to it, so I can check those stores out, and then I'll probably go to Target and gosh, I forgot what it's called, but it's another store next to Target. Kirkland, there you go. Yeah, I'm so excited. I went for a very natural like wood ornament last year. Van is actually wanting to go traditional with like red and green ornaments, but I really just don't like red ornaments. I don't know, I appreciate it with others people's Christmas tree, but like some reason on mine I just can't do it. Yeah, I don't think I've ever had an ornament that is red, but anyway, I'm probably gonna go for like maybe something more antique, dark looking ornaments with a little bit of like, you know, again, natural ornaments, just because that's how, like, you know, our whole space has the exposed shiplap and the whole like natural look to it. So I was just gonna play along with that kind of vibe already, because it's easier to decorate when you match the feels to the space that you have. I did not see anything that I want at TJ Maxx and Ross. I mean, I got something, but it's just, this is all I got from TJ Maxx, and the only reason why I got it is because I already have one of these, and it's just, I don't know, I feel like I need to match it with that. So we are now at Kirkland's, Target, and there's Michael's right there, so we're gonna just check these 3 stores out, and hopefully I'll be able to find something. Hi guys, so I did not see any ornaments that I liked at the stores that I visited today. So I went home and then kind of just like look around Pinterest, YouTube, Instagram, and trying to get some inspiration on what I should do or what ornaments I should use for my tree. And then I went back and just kind of look around my kitchen, and I saw that I have a lot of like brown and black and gray, and then I saw like my dishwasher dispenser is in an amber glass, and then I also have some vases that are amber. So I was like, I actually like the color of that, and so I decided that I'm gonna paint this and make it look like an amber glass. And I think there are several ways to do that. We can use the alcohol ink technique. There's also some glass paint where you just pour it inside and then shake it, or my friend was also suggesting that I could do it by mixing food coloring like orange and red or brown, mix it all together until you get the color that you like, and then mix it on a Mod, I think it's called Mod Podge. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it correctly, but I haven't really decided yet on how to do that. Hi guys, so today is a Wednesday, and normally we just have to be at the clinic for half of the day. So I have tonight or this afternoon off to go looking for ornaments and continue my Christmas shopping and whatnot. I'll see you guys later. Hey guys, so I am checking out this antique store that has some vintage ornaments. I like some kind of vintagey feels, so sometimes they have those really interesting ornaments. Hey guys! So I have actually added some of the ornaments already, as you can see. At first I wasn't sure if it's gonna work. All I know is that I didn't want red, I didn't want green. So when I saw, these are actually the first two ornaments, which are, I don't even know if they really are ornaments, but I saw these two, and when I saw them, I'm like, I actually like those two colors. I was more leaning towards this color because I wanted the amber color, but I actually think either one of them looks fine. So I have added some of them and they are looking good so far. I actually like it. Even if you add all of this, they match pretty well.